Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I will be doing my eyelashes for the week. Today is Sunday, so I usually do a Sunday evening, and so in the mornings I don't have to rush, just want to take my time and do. So today I will be doing my eyelashes. I already did a review on this and so on and so forth, so yeah, check my channel for more information on these eyelashes that I'm gonna be doing. Okay, next you will need your mascara, and I'm using the 30-second super hair glue. Again, it all about preference. You don't have to use this, but this is what I use, and I tell you, it don't snatch my eyelashes at all because I know how to take them off, and I've been using it for a while. It worked for me. Okay, so it might not work for you, but for me, yeah. Okay, so everybody have their opinion. Yeah, it might not good, but when you go to the eyelashes salon, that's what they use while your eyelashes stay so long for a week or so. They use the glue. Okay, just want to put it out there. So today's tutorial, that's what we're gonna be using. And also I'm gonna be using my eyeliner from Elf right here, and also my pencil. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna use my mascara. I'm gonna pump up my eyelashes so they will be ready for the eyelash. Okay, so and I do this once a week, guys, and once I put this on, today's Sunday, and you'll see I'm in my comfy, yes, my pajamas and stuff. So once I put them on Sunday, I don't take them off again until Friday when I come home after work. So yeah, alright, so once I do that, and then I'm gonna use my eyeliner. It could be a pen or whatsoever, but this is what I have for right now. So I'm gonna draw my eyeliner. I'm not good at this, y'all. Oh god, it's just a basic. I'm gonna be doing just to demarcation the eye band of the lash, you know, so you won't see it visible that much. So this is the reason why my eyeliner is on my eye right now. I'm not good at this, but doing it every day, it tends to get better, especially when it comes to the wing. Hell no. Okay. So I will be wiping the eyeliner off after this video because I don't go to sleep with it. Then in the morning I just reapply it. So just if you want to know. So this is because of the tutorial. I'm gonna show you what I do in the morning. I don't have time to be filming this stuff because I be trying to get to work, you know, who got time? Okay, so okay, so I think that's basic. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take the eyelash band right here. Did I tell you about the this? I forgot the name, y'all. Oof, Lord, today's Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, it's a little white thing here at the end of this eyelash right here. So I'm gonna grab that just like that and pull it. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna cut the little white pieces that are at the end of the eyelash because I do not want that on me. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and I'm gonna put it on the band. I'm trying to cover the white lines that are on the lash right here. So you see what I'm saying? Like, it just cleared that off. That was white before, and now it's black. Okay, you see that? Let me wipe my hand. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the glue. Okay. I'm gonna put not much. Okay, so you need to put some on the corners because they tend to come off a lot quicker than the middle. Okay, so now that I placed the glue on the band, I'm gonna give it for 30 seconds and I'm gonna place it on this eye. Okay, so if you see, it tells you like this one is for this one and this one is for this one, so it's pretty easy for you to apply. Okay, so I'm gonna take my eyelash grabber, which I can't remember the name right now, I just give it one. So you know, so again, like I said, this is just basic. This is just the basic one that I use once a week, and if I'm ready to go out, I want to turn up, and then I have a different one that I put on. Okay, so you know, when you're going to work, you just want to be basic and you be done with it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pull my skin back, my eye back, to try to put the lash right on the band. Okay, so now what you could do is try to press your eyelash with the false lashes so that they can blend together. Okay, so that is it. Okay, that is one, guys. So well, that is how I put this bad boy on. And guess what? They stay on all 5 days a week. Okay, they won't come off at all. So I'm gonna do the other one, and that's it, guys. And I've been learning, I don't know for how long now, so I don't call myself a pro, because some days it takes longer than what it actually, some days I don't, you know. Some days I just don't want to be bothered with lashes. Some days I just don't want to look cute. And some days I do, you know, so, yeah. And I think once the eyeliner goes on the, you know, on the lash band, it gives it a better grip. It's just my opinion, you know. So, yeah, so after that, I'm gonna wipe off again. And then I'm gonna apply the glue. And that is it. So it's you know, for me to learn how to put these on, it was trials and tribulations, girl. Oh yes, I've been through it. Yes, now I'm comfortable now because I've been through it, and I learned, and now I can come on camera and show y'all this damn thing. Okay, not everybody got the gut to show y'all, because this can take time, okay? To do. Okay, so like I told you, I'm not perfect, and I'm not looking for perfection on this channel. I keep telling y'all this, so I'm just a basic lady, just like you and I. So don't think I'm different from you and I. No, I'm not. I'm just like you, or probably worse. Okay, so I'm enjoying my Sunday. Yes, okay. So I'm taking again my eyelash grabber. Okay, I'm gonna pull my skin back like that. I'm gonna put the glue on the eyelash. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe off the eyelash grabber, and then I'm gonna press my lashes with the false lashes so they can meet together. See y'all, so you see how this one is and this one is. So yeah, sometimes it's trial and tribulation, so but it looks good, you know. So yeah, looks good underneath. So another thing is, once you look underneath and you see your eyelashes and the eyelash band blends together, and then you cool. So I'm good. I'm not looking for anything extra anymore, so I'm good. Okay, y'all, I am good. I just saved 20 bucks, okay, for a whole week from the nailery. Okay, so yes guys, so this is my eyelashes tutorial. So let me know what you think down below, if this helped or if you need more in-depth tutorial, which I think I did, but let me know what else you want to see. I need you guys to comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see, okay? So if I don't know what you want, so I can't come up with what you looking for, or I just give you what I think you guys might want. So so let me know down below. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.